welcome to Easy Mistake. I'm done. Today in this part we will discuss how to download a file from a file stream or a memory stream in ASP.NET MVC. Sometimes we face some scenario where we get the file source in the form of file stream or memory stream. Then how to download the file from the file stream or memory stream. Let us go to the SQL server. I have already created a table. The name of the table is file type, and I have created three fields: file type ID, file type name, and the file name. Let us check the data there. File type, these are the file types, and these are the documents I already have. This file type, and this value will display in a web page, MVC web page, in this way, in tabular format. File type ID, file type name, file name, and there is a hyperlink button. There is a hyperlink in one column. When we will click download, that corresponding document will be downloaded. Okay, that we will do. So this is the start procedure I have created this start procedure. We will use that in our program. Let us go to the Visual Studio. I have already created a project, MVC project, empty project. Let us change the web.config first. We'll put the connection string. Connection string I have already prepared. Let us copy and paste it to save some time. And file fetch. Suppose the name of the controller is file fetch controller. And the controller is created. It has created successfully. Okay. We have created the controller. I will create the action method later on. First I want to create the model. the file type. Creating the model here. We'll create 3 attributes for these 3 columns. Okay, I have already prepared the code to save some time. Okay, this one. So is the file type ID, file type name, and file name. 3 attributes for 3 database table columns. Let us save this. Okay, now let us declare the action method. We know in MVC URL is directly mapped to the action method. The index is there. We are declaring another action method, get file types. Okay. I've already prepared the code to save some time. Okay, the name space are missing. We have to include. File types. File types. No, this is file type. The name of the class is file type, so it will be file type, not file types. We are rectifying it. File type, and this is file type. Still, the underline in red is not going because the namespace has not been included yet. See, using file download from stream.models is the name of the project, and models we have to include this namespace, then it will go away. This one will be file type. Basically, in this action method, what we are doing, we are getting the connection string we have declared in the web.config file to constr string variable. Okay, then we are declaring a list variable of file type, the model class. Then we are, okay, what is the get all file type is the store procedure name. Get all file type, that is the name of the store procedure. We are fetching data from the database and storing it in a data set. Okay, and from the data set we are assigning the record value to the file type class attributes. Okay, this way we are See, file types dot, we are declaring a file type object. We are assigning the record value from the data set to the attribute of the class this way, ft.ftid. We are, after assigning all the value to the attribute of file type, we are adding this file type class to the list of file type. Okay, then we are returning the view file types dot to list. Okay, let us create the view now. Action method has been declared. The name of the controller is Firepace controller. Add view, MVC5 view, select, then click add. Suppose we are creating a list, and you have to select the model from here. See, file type model is already listing in the drop down. We have to select that. Don't want to reference script library, or we have not a layout also, so we are unchecking these options and click add. The view has been created. Okay, the red line has gone away. So I don't need this part, just want to show the table. Here I will create a link where when we will click on the file will be downloaded. Suppose we will download. I'm writing here. We'll create a link here, hyperlink here to download the file. These files will download. Here we will create a link. First build the project and let us see the output is working properly or not. Build solution. Build started. Build succeeded. let us create a virtual directory in the IS first. We have to click on the project. Okay, properties. Go to the web tab. IS Express is selected here. Select local IS and click on this button, create virtual directory. A virtual directory will be created in the local IS and you can directly browse with this URL. Let us save this. Let us go to the browser. We have to give the name of the controller. Name of the controller is file fetch controller. Only this much we have to copy. File fetch controller we have to, we need not to copy, just copy file fetch and paste it here, and then the action method we have to, the name of the action method is get file types. Copy it and paste it here and press enter to get the view. It is taking some more time because my system is slow maybe. Let us bear with this. Please bear with this. We'll get the view in a few seconds. Okay, we have got it. Highlighted download. We'll convert this download to a link button to download these documents mentioned in the file name column. Let us write the code now. So to create a link we have to write action link, action link function is HTML helper. We have to use this HTML helper is action link, and the first parameter is link text. Let us put it here, download, then action name. We have to create another action name. Let us create another action, and that action will return file result. Okay, public file result get download doc, and we'll send the file name as a parameter. I have already written the code. Some time, let us copy it. I will explain. I'll explain these codes in a few minutes. Let us copy it first. Space is not included yet, that's why there is a red line. System.io namespace we have to include. Hosting environment is not there, let us include. Okay, there is no red line now. So download doc is the action method. This action method we have to first we create the link. Let us copy it. Download doc. This is the action method. Next, controller name we have to put. The name of the controller is filepass. Don't need the full name of the controller, just need this portion, filepass. Put it here. Next, so when we'll click this link we are creating, this action method will be called, invoked. Okay, this action method will be invoked. Download doc. Download doc has a parameter name of the parameter is file name. We have to pass this parameter in this HTML helper action link. The way to pass a parameter is in action link is file name equal to item dot file name we are sending, and next is object HTML attribute. We are can do some styling on this action link. We are setting it null. We are not styling the action link. Okay, so the action link has been created. We are passing the parameter file name. Now the action link will be displayed if we view the if we invoke the action method in the browser. Let us understand the code first, then we'll execute. in the browser. So when we will click this link, download link, I mean this download link, this action method will be invoked. Download doc, the file name will get here once we click that link. So if the source of the file name we are getting in stream, we may get in stream or memory stream. Definitely in memory stream, if we call a WCF from here, WCF function, from here we can get the file in the form of memory stream. Okay, then that time we will invoke these functions from here, and this time we are getting the file name from this function. This function is returning file stream. Okay, file stream is returning, this function is returning file stream. Let us go to the check the definition of the file function. Go to definition. Let us see. This function has many forms. See, we have to when we'll click the link, this function will take 3 parameters. Then it will return the file stream result, and we are returning here file result. We are returning here file result. The file stream result, if we go to the definition of file stream result, go to definition, you will see file result has been inherited. So this will not create a problem, it will be executed successfully because file stream result is inheriting file result class. Let us go to the controller. So we'll need if we get the file in the form of file stream, then this function will call, and 3 parameters value we have to provide: file stream, then content type, and then the file download name. When we'll click the link, what will be the name of the file we are downloading? Okay, this is one function. The next one, you can see file content result. Byte array you have to provide is the first parameter, content type, and file download name. Again, this one, string file name, content type, file download name. There are all total byte and file stream, and there are 4 functions of this type. If you don't keep the file download name, it will decide the file name automatically. Let us go to the controller. So here we are using their form of the file function, where the first parameter is file stream. So we are getting the file in the form of stream from this function, get file from file stream. Go here, see file path, hosting environment dot map path, docs, and the file name, which one we are getting as a parameter from the action method. Let us see, there is a docs folder. By using this static class hosting environment dot map path, it almost behave like server dot map path in web form application. So here we are using hosting environment map path to map the absolute path of this document in the project. This is the file name. We are converting this file to a stream this way, and we are returning the stream. Okay. Next, we are from the parameter value, we are extracting the extension. Which one extension here? What type of file it is? PDF or doc or txt, whatever it is, we are getting it in the extension. And from the extension we are getting the content type by calling this function. We are passing the extension as a parameter to this function. Let us check this function. So if it is PDF, this content type will be returned. If docx, this will be returned. And if it is doc type of file, then this will be returned. If it is XLS, then this content type will be returned. If XLSX, this one txt text \plain, and if XML, text XML, this content type will be returned. So based on the document type, there are different type of content type. If you Google, you can find out what are the content type for other formats. Okay, so by calling this function, we are getting the content type, and we are passing this parameter to this file function. So first one is file stream, then we are providing content type, and next the name of the file name. So now when we'll execute the page, when we'll invoke this action method, the file will download using Filestream. Let us execute it. Let us build it, then execute it to see if it works. Let us build it first. Next time we'll see, we'll call this function get file from Memorystream instead of this function get file stream. Get file from Filestream, and we'll check again. The build has been succeeded. Let us refresh this page. Okay, it's showing. Let us download the first. This one is PDF. Let us click download. See, it has been downloaded successfully. Open. It's taking. Okay, it has been successfully. You can see. Let us try another. Let us doc file. We are downloading doc again. Doc file. It has been downloaded successfully. Let us open it. The Word document is opening. Just to have downloaded the document. We're trying to open it. Okay. The document is downloading and opening fine. We try the txt file. Let us check. It is also opening. So this way we can download a file using Filestream class. Suppose, and from the Filestream we have tried, it is downloading and opening successfully. Let us try this function. Suppose we are getting a memory stream from a WCF or some other source. How we'll download the file in the MVC page. Let us change it. Let us declare a file content type here. Okay, byte is okay. Byte array. We are declaring a byte array. Name of the byte array is file content, and file content equal to, we are invoking these functions. Get file from memory stream. Okay, and we are sending this file content as a first parameter of the file function. Okay, here what we are doing in this function, we are getting the file path, by using this function map path and the relative path, we're getting the absolute path. Then we're converting this file to a stream. Then we are writing this stream to a memory stream, and finally we are converting this memory string to a byte array by using these functions to array, and finally we are returning the byte array. So let us build it and try again if it works fine or not. Build. Let us say another thing. If we click build, it will only build the part which was not built in the previous attempt, and if we click rebuild, the whole files will be built. So build will take less time if it is the second attempt, and rebuild will take more time than this build button. So I think build succeeded. Okay, let us try again. Let us do some styling on this view. I've already written the CSS. Let us see if there is a copy. It will save some time. So table border collapse there. If there is two border, that will be collapsed to one. TS border 1 PS solid black and TD 1 PS solid black. Let us execute the page, invoke the action. This time, remember, this time we are downloading using memory stream. The previous time we are download the file using Filestream. Let us again click this link. Last time it was refrigerator 3.pdf and this time 4.pdf. Let us open the file. It is opening fine. That means it is not corrupted. Okay, we are downloading this XLSS file, sample one XLS. Let us open. It is opening. Opening fine. Okay. XLS file we open. This one also has downloaded So this way we can download a file where whose source is a file stream or memory stream. Thank you for watching this video. Please encourage me by subscribing to my channel, like this video, share this video. Thank you.